Best ChatGPT Agent use cases in 2025. ChatGPT agents are like your personal AI assistants that you can customize to do almost anything for you. Think of them as employees you can train once, and they can run tasks over and over. No salary, no coffee breaks. You can set up an agent to reply to customer questions, write and post social media content, summarize articles, or even research products for you. The best part, they can follow instructions you give them permanently, so you don't have to repeat yourself every time. Setting one up is easy. Click Explore GPTs, choose or build your own, and add your special instructions. Remember though, agents are currently only available for ChatGPT Plus and Pro subscribers, so free users can't access them yet. In 2025, using an agent can save you hours each week. And once you set one up, it's like having an extra brain working just for you.